Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. In previous video, I explained how to querying the data based on operator like greater than operator, equal than operator, in operators, and operators or operators. So if you didn't watch my previous video, just go to our playlist. In the playlist, MongoDB playlist is there. In the MongoDB playlist, you can watch my all the MongoDB related videos so that you can get the better understanding to set up the MongoDB server, MongoDB Compass, MongoDB tools like Mongo import, Mongo restore tools. That's all. So if you if you didn't set up the MongoDB, so you can watch that video as well. In this video, I will explain how to use not operator, not operator for querying the data into the real-time example. So for the not operator, basically it basically it explain to that is not belongs that particular data. So for the examples, like you have a employee collection. In the employee collection, if there is a field there name, and in the name section there is a Bob field there. So in the Bob field Bob name you need to not show in the result set. So you just add nor operator not operator and field name like nor or not operator colon field name emp name colon our name which don't want to in the result output. So for the example, I'm going to CMD for querying the data for the better understanding. So I'm just opening the CMD by pressing Window R button. Here we have typed CMD and entering it. Now I am going to put the command mongoose. Mongoose basically used for interact, interacting the interacting the MongoDB server for querying the data. So there is a command mongoose. Mongo 9 entering it. You will see it is disconnected. I think MongoDB server is not running, so that's why it is refusing the connection. So for the checking purpose, MongoDB is running or not, we need to check our services. For checking the services, we need to open the run command by pressing Window R button in the keyboard. Here we need to type services.msc and enter it. Then you will see in here lots of services are there. Just search MongoDB. You can see it is stopped. So click this start icon, then it will run in the background. So I'm just clicking this one and wait few minutes, then it will start. Yeah, now it is started. You can see. I am again going the CMD command and running same command as well. So I'm just typing mongoose and entering it. Now it is connected. So for checking the databases, you need to use show dbs command. So dbs will show you all the databases which is created in the MongoDB server. So I'm just using use emp sdb for switching that databases. So entering it. Now for checking the collection, you need to use show collections command. You will see there is only one collection is there. So I'm just creating a employee JSON database with a skill set. So I'm just opening the Chrome. In the Chrome, we are going to incognito mode here, opening the chat GPT for creating the data. So here we are providing a command create a employee JSON array data with skill with skills array and entering it. Now it will give a output like that, skills array. So I'm just copying this data and here I am opening one another things JSON viewer. In the JSON viewer will prepare the data for inserting using CMD. So there is two things you can this go through this data and copy this data into our Notepad Plus and import that data using Mongo import command. So I'm not going to use Mongo import command. I'm just going to use insert many command. So here we are going to formatting it and removing the white spaces, copying this one, and in the CMD we are going to create a new collection. So there is a command db dot create collection. Create collection basically used for creating a new collection in here. So emp I'm just creating the collection as a emp. So db create collection, in the bracket we need to pass the our collection name and entering it, you will see it giving the OK one. That means it is created the collection in our databases. So you can see there is two collections are there now. One is EMP, second one is a employee. So I'm just inserting the data into our EMP. So db.emp is our collection name dot insert many command we need to use if you are inserting lots of data. Here I am just pasting that data which is copying from JSON viewer. So pasting in here, just 1 minute, why it is not taking? Yeah, now it is taken. Just closing the bracket and entering it. It will giving the acknowledge as a true. So for checking purpose, I am just going to see all the data in this collection. So I'm just typing. So collections, here two collections are there, db.emp.find. You will see all the data is here. I am just using the not operator to retrieving the data in the output. So I am just creating a query or for the not operator with whose name is not belongs as a Bob Smith. So whose employee name is not Bob Smith, that employee's data will need to in the output. So I am just typing the query db.emp.find. In here we are going to add not operator not. Now we are going to add here as a column name. In here we are passing the Bob Smith. So in this query, if you see not means which name is not belongs to Bob Smith, that result will give in the output. Only Bob Smith data will not appear in the output because I have added the not operator. So that's why I'm just entering it. You will see Bob Smith data will not appear in the console. So why it is not giving the output? I think we have missed something. Entire expression use nor. Why it is unknown label operator. Not operator, I think not operator is not working. Nor operator, I mean just that not operator. If you're trying to negate an entire expression, use nor operator. Okay. Uh, we need to. use the nor operator instead of using not, because I have using the updated MongoDB version, so that's why it is giving to use nor operator instead of using not. So I'm just changing our query data nor in here and adding as a array in here not. So just a minute, we need to close this one as well and entering it. You will see that data is not appear in here. So not operator will not work in the updated MongoDB server. It will work in the old MongoDB server, MongoDB version server. So I'm just using the nor operator for iterating the data whose not belongs to Bobby Smith. So I'm just going to add one more condition in here, and skill is not match as a Excel. So that data will appear in the console. So I'm just adding in here one more thing, skill skills colon. In here we are going to add as a Excel. Now if you see in the console output, whose skill have Excel or whose name as a Bob Smith, that data will not appear in the console. Only two data will appear in the console. One is Ellis Johnson and second one is a Carol Davis. So I'm just entering it. Two data is appear. Excel and Bob Smith data will not appearing in the console. So in this video, I have explained how to use NOR operator. I I I didn't use not operator because it is deprecated in the updated MongoDB server. So that's why instead of using not operator, you need to use nor operator. So thank you for watching my video. If you have any query, you can comment. I will provide the solution if you are facing any issue. Thank you.